Well, personally, I've always found space to be a fascinating subject. But from a business point of view, space is a very hostile environment and it's not easy to work in space and operate in space. So for industry, the big challenge is trying to overcome that. Space is a rapidly growing sector. In fact, it contributes over £9 billion a year into the UK economy. Some of the cutting-edge solutions that we're seeing now in industry, coupled with new thinking, has taken the size of platforms right down to something called nanosatellites. And they're both very cheap, easy to launch, and weigh only a few kilos. With a much smaller platform, you have less bandwidth, in other words, less capacity to get your data back to the ground. So that's one thing you need to try and work out. And secondly, because these satellites are much smaller, you can launch a lot more of them, which means you're actually contributing to the debris problem. So part of our role is to make sure that we don't add to this problem. We work with a wide range of clients to provide consultancy services looking at both the design, the testing, the operation, and also the commissioning of space systems. We also offer dedicated modelling and simulation services utilising expertise on industry standard tools. Within Quintec, we are fortunate as we can draw upon our parent organisation, who are the wider Thales Group, in order to deliver a whole range of R&D capabilities, vast experience in delivering complex projects. I think what we're going to see is space-enabled smart cities. We're going to see satellites launched for less than £100,000. And that includes actually the build of the satellite as well. So by working with Quintec, Thales and our close partner Thales Alenia Space, we believe we can turn this dream into reality.